What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about both silver and gold because as this week has gone by, it seems like they're a little bit of a safe haven, to say the least. And I also wanted to talk about this week's massive market volatility, giant swings in upward and downward directions. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts. You can watch Saturday and Sunday's videos right now if you want to, and a whole bunch more. And of course, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. If you refer 3 friends by February 10th, they'll give you at least $150 worth of Amazon stock for free. Everything is linked in the description. So today is Friday, February 4th, 2022. The current spot price of silver as I'm filming the video is $22.44. It's up 5 cents or up 0.22%. Spot price of gold is $18.0270. It's down $1.90 or down 0.11%. And of course, the gold to silver ratio is in the 80 to 81 to 1 range. But of course, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. And also, by the way, this video is being filmed at like 10 o'clock in the morning. By the time it comes out onto YouTube, the market will already be closed for the entire weekend. This video should be coming out around 6 p.m. Of course, you have the option, if you choose to watch it early, you can absolutely do so in the Precious Metals VIP Club. I post all the videos there the second I'm done editing them, usually around 12 p.m. So it's your choice where you want to watch it and when you want to watch it. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about a couple of different things. Of course, we're going to be talking about the silver and the gold. As you can see on display right here, have a nice little selection, some gold backs, some 10-ounce silver bars, some 1-ounce silver coins, a 5-ounce silver round, even a little piece of platinum to spice things up. But before we can even get into the money, I think it's important that we first talk about the currency, starting with the insane volatility we have been seeing today so far, but really this entire week, the last couple of days. It's been intense. This week we have been getting a lot of reports. A lot of reports have been getting released. Earnings reports, profitability, supply chain punishments that these companies have been taking, whether or not they need to raise prices, whether or not consumers are going to be spending less money on their products. We've been getting a lot of information, and it has been leading to crazy swings in upward and downward directions, which has caused the market to be like a seesaw all week, especially today and yesterday. I mean, for example, even Facebook took some punishment. And when I say some punishment, I mean they fell by 26.5% just yesterday alone. Absolutely bonkers. Clorox fell about 12, 13, 14% today alone. Some companies are taking some massive punishment right now, and it's not just because of supply chain constraints, it's because of a lot of different issues. So what I wanted to do right now is quickly run through how the stock market has been behaving today so far. We have the S&P 500 up 0.04%. We have the Dow Jones down 0.39%. And we have the NASDAQ up 0.67%. Again, this video is being filmed at 10 in the morning. God only knows what the rest of the day is going to bring us. But for long-term investors, a lot of this volatility, a lot of stocks taking some massive punishment, 10%, 15%, 20%, 26%. Long-term investors, this is a pizza party. This is a celebration right now. For the drama queens, the sky is falling, like Chicken Little. But considering the tech sector has been carrying the weight of the entire market for the last 2 years, let's quickly run through a couple of tech giants, starting with Facebook, just because why not? In the last week, Facebook has fallen by 22.58%. Tesla, which is tech on wheels, over the last week has gone up by a little over 4%. Apple is up over the last week 0.89%, and Amazon over the last week is up 7.42%. Now, if you looked at the charts that I just showed on screen, you can see that they have had some crazy volatility. Facebook was moving in a very, very slow upward direction and then just nosedived. Tesla has been up and down all week. Apple has been up and down all week. Amazon was kind of moving sideways, and then it fell, and then it moved sideways again, and then it jumped up today. So we've been seeing a lot of craziness in the markets right now, and the reason I wanted to laser in really quickly on the tech sector is just because they have been carrying the entire market on their back for the last 18 to 24 months. But really quick, by the way, speaking of Amazon, if you have the ability to get $150 worth of Amazon stock, you should absolutely capitalize on that opportunity. Remember, download Webull and fund your account. They're going to give you 2 free stocks just for doing so. And then if you refer 3 friends by February 10th, only 6 days left, by the way, they're going to give you at least $150 worth of Amazon stock with the chance of winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. But now moving away from the stocks, moving away from all of that, I wanted to talk about silver and gold. And the reason for that is because as I've been saying for the last 4 years, as I've been thinking for the last 4 years, as I've been doing everything for the last 4 years, obviously I consider the silver and gold to be wealth preservation. I consider it to be somewhat of a sense of stability during times of economic instability. And I think this week really reassures everything that I've been saying and believing for the last couple of years. And I'll explain that momentarily. Let's quickly run through what we have on screen. We have a little 1 gram platinum bar sent in from Bo. Thank you very much. We have my 5-ounce Aztec calendar round. We have a 10-ounce bull bar. We have a 10-ounce sunshine bar. We have a Krugerrand, Landmarks of Britain, and a Britannia coin. And then, of course, over here, rather than showing off the little gold coins that I've been showing off all week, I decided to show off some gold backs. We have the Utah, New Hampshire, and Nevada 1, 5, and 10 gold back notes. I don't believe I'll be getting the 25s or the 50s, at least not anytime soon. And I look forward to more states releasing their gold backs this year. 2 more states should be releasing their gold backs this year, so I will absolutely be going after the 1, 5, and 10 notes from those states as well. But anyway, let's get into the precious metals, because the spot price of silver today is only up 0.22%. Spot price of gold today is only down 0.11%. That kind of represents how the whole week has gone. We haven't seen a whole lot of movement in the precious metals, and I even said it in, I want to say yesterday's video, or one of the videos that I posted this week. I said nothing has really been going on in the realm of precious metals. It's been relatively boring. And by the way, when I say that, that's not a bad thing. Of course, it's like a slow news week, but at the end of the day, for those of us that are stacking the precious metals, that's usually good news. And the reason I say that is because, just take the week that we just had into account. The crazy volatility, the craziness that has been going on, all of this insanity, all of the ups, all of the downs, all of the everything, the good news, the bad news, the unexpected news, being caught off guard, everything has been in a blender. But silver and gold haven't really been moving all that much. Now, some people consider that to be a bad thing. I consider it to be a fantastic thing. When everything else is super volatile and silver and gold are standing strong, standing tall, and holding their own, I consider that to be a good thing. Which is why for the last couple of years, I have assumed that during times of economic instability that we would probably see people flock towards the precious metals, just as a sense of stability during times of economic instability. Like I said, for myself, that's what I like about the silver and the gold. That's what I use the precious metals for. That's what a lot of people use the precious metals for, especially the gold. More people prefer gold during these times. And when I say more people, I'm talking about the big dogs. They liquidate some of their positions, they sell off some of their positions, they take some of their currency out of the markets, and a lot of them put it into gold. And the reason for this is just for that safe haven, almost. A lot of people view the gold as a safe haven. People view the silver as a safe haven as well, but between the two metals, silver is more volatile, silver is more sporadic, silver is a little bit more up and down, a little bit more unexpected from time to time, especially during crazy times like these, although silver has been holding its own quite well this week. But then again, we're talking about the micro. We're talking about the last week. The last week doesn't matter. Next week isn't going to matter in the grand scheme of things long term. What's been going on this week does not represent what we're going to see years, decades in the future. And that goes for the stock market as well. All of the volatility, yeah, it's been a really crazy volatile week. Massive swings in upward directions, massive swings in downward directions. Those swings don't matter long term. The reason I bring this up is just because I wanted to showcase how silver and gold could, in theory, be considered a safe haven for people that don't want all the volatility, for the people that don't want the crazy swings, for the people who don't want to be up 20% one day and down 15% the next day and then up 5% the day after that and then down 20% the day after that. People don't want that. So a lot of people use the silver and gold. Yes, it's slow moving. Yes, it's boring. But guess what? A lot of the time, boring is better. A lot of the time, boring is best. So it's just something to take into account. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. When it comes to the massive volatility we've been seeing this week, what are your thoughts on that right there? And of course, what are your thoughts on silver and gold potentially being somewhat of a safe haven? Head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. We got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs in a bunch of different designs. DYDSS store will be linked in the description. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways every single month, live streams multiple times a week, deal alerts every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. You can watch Saturday and Sunday's videos right now if you want to, and tomorrow morning I'll be posting a brand new adventure vlog. VIP Club link in the description, and there are a ton of other perks as well. And of course, last but not least, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. They'll give you 2 free random stocks just for doing so. And then if you refer 3 friends by February 10th, Webull's going to give you at least $150 worth of Amazon stock for free, with the chance of possibly winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock for free. Just click that little invite button, send it to 3 people that you know. It's quite literally that simple. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? What are your thoughts on the crazy volatility that we have been seeing mostly today and yesterday, but really over the course of the last week? Crazy swings in upward directions, crazy swings in downward directions, reports coming out, information being released, good news, bad news, creating insane levels of volatility. So much so that brokerage apps are even warning on certain stocks. They're like, hey, just let you know, this stock is crazy volatile right now. Might not be the greatest time to buy. Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic, related to market volatility and silver and gold potentially being seen as a safe haven. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.